Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add money from a bank card to your Cash App. First of all, make sure to go and open your Cash App. Then, you would like to link your card if it's not linked already. For me, I'm using here a mimication or simulation of the Cash App, so it's not real. I'll not be able to add a real card, but for you, you would like to go and click on your profile. You should find it at the top right corner. You'll find here linked banks option or linked accounts option. Just go and click on it. Then you will find link debit card. Click on that and you'll be able to enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once it's linked, your debit card is ready to transfer money. So you can always add money as example. If you go to your balance here, as you can see at the bottom left, and you'll be able to go and click on add money. Here, you can go and you'll find an example an option here to add from your bank or even add from your debit card. So just select the add money or add cash option and choose the amount that you want to add. For example, a $20, $50 or custom amount, and you can click on it. Of course, Cash App will ask you to confirm the transfer. Use your PIN, fingerprint or Face ID, and the money will move instantly from your bank card to your Cash App balance. So you'll see your money now in the balance as you can see, and you should be good to go. Now you can send it, spend it with Cash Card or whatever you want. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.